Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up and create your business account for TikTok. If you're looking to move your business over to TikTok and capitalize on its organic growth, then it's definitely a place to be. But to be able to take full advantage of TikTok, you want to create a TikTok business account. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So starting it off as to why you would want to use TikTok for your business, well, to sum it up, TikTok is the biggest social media platform to date. It has over 500 million users and it's growing every single day. The organic reach you can get on there is absolutely unbelievable. Even if you have 10 followers, you can reach hundreds and thousands and even millions of people with just one video. Now, like I said before, if you want to take full advantage of TikTok, you're going to want to create a business account. But to do that, you need to create a personal account first. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that, and then we're going to move it to a business account. So to start off by creating your business account, you first need to make a personal account. So go to the Me icon and select the top button. Then you'll be able to create an account here. You can select Facebook, Google, whatever you want to sign in. I'm going to choose Google for this. Once I've signed in, it's then going to ask me my date of birth. Bearing in mind, you will have to be 18 and over to create a business account. Once you've selected your date of birth, it'll then ask you what you want to put your username as. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to call it Wolf Media Test. Once you're happy with your username, just press sign up, and then you've got your very own personal TikTok account. You can do all the default stuff, as in watch other videos, like, comment, share, do whatever you want. But now we're going to turn it into a business account. So press on the three dots at the top, go on to manage account, and then you'll be able to switch to pro account. From here, you can select whether you want to switch to a creator account or a business account. Now, don't worry too much about business and creator because they're basically the same thing and you can switch in between them if you want later on. Finally, just select the category your business is. So for us, it's media. So I'm just going to select that. And as you can see, we've now created a business account. So now we have access to a few more features, such as we can now add a profit or non-profit organization into our TikTok bio. And you can also have access to analytics. Now, because this is a new account, there's no analytics, so let's swap over to my personal account. And as you can see here, you have an overview of your TikTok analytics. So here are the video views of the past 28 days. You can also see how many followers I've gained in the past 28 days, and you can also see how many profile views I've had. Next, you have the content tab. So this just shows me the analytics of my past videos this week. And if you scroll down, it shows you your top trending videos currently. Finally, you have the followers tab, so it just gives you a demographic of male and female, top territories, and follower activity. And then this new tab has just been added recently. It shows you your live stream performance, but I don't really do too many lives, so there's not much to show. Now, like I said before, you can switch between personal account, business account, and creator account whenever you want, just by going on to manage my account, and then you can switch in between. So there you go, that's how you create a business account for TikTok. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you have any questions related to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be sure to answer you. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a like if you did enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next video.